Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can stop all spam calls on your Android device. So in the first step you have to look for this app and install it. This one, Truecaller ID. Now just go to the settings, if you have installed this app, and go to the apps. Now expand the advanced and look for the default apps. Now as phone app, use a Truecaller. Now just go to the application and just here type your number, confirm it by the text messages, and you will be free from the spam calls. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.